What up, good people? Today is 2-Minute Tip Tuesday. Let's get into this video. So today we're going to talk about what does the oil light mean. The oil light means three different things. The first one means that you're low on oil. The second one means your oil is dry. The third one means you have an oil leak. First one means if you see the oil light come on, stop the vehicle, pop the hood, check the dipstick, wipe the dipstick off, then read and check the dipstick and see if you got oil on your dipstick. If you do not have oil on your dipstick, go down to your local AutoZone and get some oil for your vehicle, because you're trying to blow up your engine. And yeah, you don't want to have that problem, because now you got more problems than a little bit. The second means if you check the dipstick and the dipstick have oil, yes, that means the texture is not there as oil light texture. So that means you don't have that texture oil, so you need to go down to your local AutoZone or your local dealership or your local mechanic, somewhere where you can get your oil changed and see. That means if you have oil in your car and the oil is dry, stop driving the vehicle and take it down to your local mechanic shop or your local dealership, get an oil change, and yeah, go from there. The second one is if you have an oil leak in your vehicle. So you can pop the hood of the vehicle and look around the engine bay, and you may see some oil light around the engine, something like it's leaking throughout the car. So yeah, you see something like that leaking, or you can back your car up and look in your parking spot. If you see something like a wet spot, that means you have an oil leak. So I know I had plenty of oil leaks on my Sonata. So yes, I know how oil leaks look, and I was like, dang, do I really want to fix this? No. And I'm gonna be honest, I'm just being honest, because I really did not want to fix it. So yeah. But if you're enjoying this video, go and smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of the ArtOfSpeedd family, go to the subscribe button. Yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.